Welcome to another episode of 3-Minute Videos with Nathaniel. Today we are now going to do question C of MAT Oxford 2021. Now let me draw a graph. So the question asks about this graph. So tangents are drawn. You know what tangents are from your study of circles? If you don't, these are basically lines which are the same gradient that pass through the curve at only one point. Now, we need to find a relationship between A and B. So, how to find the tangent? Luckily for us, we had found the derivative of this. So, d over dx, ex equals to ex. How blessed we are! Ex is its own derivative. Now, let's split this into two columns of equations. Now, we start at P. This is for P and this is for Q. Now, at P, we realize that d over dx equals to EP. d over dx equals to EQ. Y equals to XEP plus C. Y equals to XEQ plus C. And you know for our doing lines, then that means EP equals to PEP plus C. EQ equals to QEQ plus C. C equals to 1 minus PEP. C is 1 minus QEQ. Now to find the intercept, we set Y to be 0. 0 equals to XEP plus 1 minus PEP. So P minus 1 EP equals to XEP. X equals to P minus 1. How can it be that simple? Let's try it for Q. Actually, we won't bother, but I'll just write down all the steps down here so that you have a quick grasp of what's going on. It's the same expression. So, we can realize that P minus A, so we call this A and we call this B. P minus A equals to P minus 1 equals to 1. Q minus B equals to Q minus 1 equals to 1, which is option C. There you have it, an option which is the exact same as the question number. Thank you. Bye.